something I've discovered when taking off the flares on here. There's a bolt in there, bolt in here that you can get by opening the door and get it on this side, and then one underneath here. But then there's also this little cheeky one here, which you have to actually take the door panel off and just sneak your hand up through this bottom bit. It's a little 10 mil bit. You can just undo that. To this one, there's a hole in here, one here, one here, and then there's also a little secret one here, which is just a Phillips head, and then this one also has a cheeky one too. It's really hard to see, so I'll show you on this side. It's a bit easiest. Let me get light on there. There's a little bolt on the inside just there that makes it just there, that you just got to take a little nut off, and that's that's the only thing holding it in from the inside. On the front we had something similar, and we had that here, here and here, and these had little plastic grommets on it that made it a little bit harder to get out, so I have to replace those. Maybe just crimp them in or something. If you've undone these ones and you're wondering why it's still not coming off, it's because of these ones. So to give you a little demo of what that looks like, that sits on there like that, and you can see these little spots here where they drill into. But yeah, bit of a nightmare.
this is the final result, and the only thing that wasn't salvageable from these was the little rubber bits on the side. So I've just bought some new ones, and they're about $6 a meter, and yeah, they're pretty easy to put on, so that wasn't the end of the world. One of the main tips that I would take on for this is using the sander, using an electrical sander on the mud flaps themselves. They weren't actually, the sander really dug into the fiberglass a lot harder than I thought it would. So we've got a few indents and irregularity spots throughout these things. So I'll definitely just recommend just scuffing it back with your hand, you know, making it nice and smooth and not really taking any big chunks out of it like I accidentally did. But other than that, really happy with how it's all come out. I'm going to be making a full-length video on how I managed to give this car a 2-pack, 2-tone paint job for under 2,000 Australian dollars, so stay tuned for that one. In the process of painting this car fully, I had to actually remove the stickers, and the main reason that I wanted to remove the stickers instead of just sanding them off is because if you sand the stickers off, they become like a gluey paste. They heat up, and then they actually damage the paint a lot more, and they also damage all your sanding blades. So in the process of taking those off, I figured out a really good way to take them off without damaging the paint. So if you've got an old 60 series or an old car of any kind and you're a bit sick of the stickers, or you want to put some new ones on, I've got a video coming out very soon on how to remove stickers or old decals without removing any of the paint. Another video that I've got coming out will be how to retrim your door cards, because I bought some new door cards that match the blue trim of the rest of the car, and they were pretty damaged and pretty screwed, so I've actually recreated those. Other than that, I don't know, I'm putting the new carpet in soon as well, so yeah. If you like my channel and you like the work that I produce and you like this t-shirt that I've been working in, you can pick these up at mahimedia.au, and whilst you're at it, check out my extensive portfolio where I've got drone work, video work, photo work, weddings, real estate, drone stuff, whatever you can think of. I'll even come and take photos of your car. So yeah, if you like the media I produce and you want me to make some media for you or your business, brand or product, get in touch with me at mahimedia.au. Thanks for watching. Check out another video if you want to, and follow me on Instagram at Nathaniel's Life. Thanks so much.